Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna sorry guys about the foot. Today we're gonna play Call of Duty. So first you have to check our daily things. I don't know what it's called, but just I don't know. Check the daily things in multiplayer. Bro, hurry up! Woo! I'm just a guest, guys. I'm just a guest. It's unicorn. Oh my god! I got a skin. Oh wait, I did not. I thought I got a skin. Open crates now, of course. Right, that got the crates. Multiplayer, today community login, daily login. Who's this? I have no idea who's that. I don't know who's that. He invited me for some reason. Bro, I don't want to play it. I was claiming something. Alright, then we'll just play. I have fast hands. Bro, why is this sword a knife? Isn't it just to be a knife? Not a whole entire. Oh! Bro, I can't get the kill. Oh, there. Headshot. Oh, almost got him. Got him. Hey, I didn't saw. Hey, how did he not die? Immortal. How? What? So confused. Contact with enemy. Bloodthirsty. Oh, I didn't saw him behind me. Bumble. Oh god. Get downed. Whoever comes out is getting dead from me. Here. There. Dead. Oh god. Reloading. Hello. You're dead. Oh god. I'm dead, not his dead. Alright. Let's go look for an enemy here. I'm so bad aim. Oh god. Oh. No. Please don't kill me. I kill you. Yes! Now we're switching sides. Yeah, baby. How many kills I've got? I got 16. Nice. Oh god. Ah! Ah, bro. No. Guys, if you see like white rectangular thing, that means that's how many kills, deaths, and I don't know what is the A means. Oh god. Guys, comment down what's your name in Call of Duty if you play Call of Duty, so I can play with you guys, my fans. so I can beat you guys, and I'm better than you guys. You did that guy to go. Bro, get out! Bro, die! Not dying from me, dying from them. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh my god, almost 60. Oh god. Come here, monkeys! I'm in your village. I don't know what it's called, base. I forgot. Oh god, I died. Turon. I don't know who's Turon. Oh god. No, no, no. I almost died from a bomb. Die! Die! It's your last day of... no. Bro, why can't he die? Huh. Many. Hey. Oh yeah, I got the last kill. I got the last kill, guys. Oh yeah, that's me, King Marcus. Gonna give myself a like. Wow. I'm so good. I'm am I so good at Call of Duty? Leave a like if yes. I mean, leave a subscribe if yes. Leave a like if no. 89 rating. The others are just 60. Noobs. Oh yeah. Ranked match. No, I don't want to play with the guy that who invited me for some reason. Okay. So we have what? Nothing? Oh, here. I'll show you guys my skins. So we got Kruger, whatever. And then we got Zena. Wait. Internet's really low. We got Zena, Eton, Itim. That's it. That's a robot. Then here is, hurry up, Nomad. Then we got Carver Butcher. It's taking way too long. Then others next time. Bye guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.